This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to update your EP-133. So first you want to connect it via USB to your computer. Then you want to go to this link. I'll put it in the description and I'll pin it as a comment, which will be the automatic update utility that they provide on their website. Then once you're connected, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is click the link here and then allow your browser to reprogram your MIDI device. After that, all you have to do is make sure the device is on and then you press this button. After that, your EP-133 is going to have this bar, move back and forth. Then you're gonna wait a few minutes and boom, you're done. You're updated and good to go. If you're having any issues, try changing your browser and checking your firewall. Also make sure that you're allowing MIDI to go through the browser. Windows is gonna have more of an issue than Macs are in this regards. And also I would maybe check and look into like a driver potentially. Depends on what version of Windows you have. I'm using Windows 11 in this case. And yeah, hopefully it goes smoothly for you guys. Let me know otherwise. And I hope this tutorial was useful. It's very short and to the point. And thank you very much for watching. Peace out.